Hi there! If you're on a hunt for an inverter AC that's fast cooling, that's powerful, that's reliable, then this video is just for you. Today we've got our hands on the VarioQool 5G Cruise Premium Heavy Duty Air Conditioner that's priced between 34 to 36,000. Now this AC has genuinely surprised me. We're going to talk about all its coolest features and so much more, but first let's quickly unbox it and have a closer look and see whether it's worth your money or not. Let's begin. So here are both the units, the indoor unit above and the outdoor unit below. You can see the Cruise branding on both. This is a split type inverter air conditioner that comes with 3-star energy saving rating. Also, this is the latest 2025 model. Some key features like 100% copper tube, and it comes with R32 refrigerant. Then here are some of the manufacturing details along with the model number and the MRP of 52,999. Now, I highly recommend you not try to unbox this AC on your own. A technician from Cruise will visit your doorstep, they will unbox it, set it up, and the installation cost will be $1,499 plus GST. Now, as we open up the box, we get the indoor unit along with some contents. So we have the user manual and the warranty card. Then we have some screws for the installation, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, and finally the remote. Now the first thing that instantly grabs my attention is the color. It's a black remote which doesn't get dirty, something we all fear when we have white remotes. Now the other thing that I really love is this raw texture finish which looks really nice. It's compact, very easy to use, it's light, looks pretty premium. As you look closely, you can spot a display on the top. You have the power button, you have the mode button, super, ambient mode, economy. You can change the fan speed, more feature buttons at the bottom and Cruise branding at the bottom. Really nice, compact and easy to use. Then when we open the outdoor unit box, we get a very neatly packed device. High quality material that makes sure the unit doesn't get damaged in transportation. Then here is a closer look at the indoor unit, which is extremely well built. It comes with a matte finish which doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. 3-star rating logo along with inverter written on the right side. Cruise branding in the center. A couple of features mentioned on the left: 4D auto air swing, 5-in-1 mode, Rusto shield paint protection, 55 degrees express cooling and 10 years of compressor warranty. First impressions, the design is minimal with a super premium feel. The outdoor unit is quite large, designed for better heat exchange for longer life. It also comes with a really large fan for faster and more uniform cooling. Let's quickly dive into the top features because when it comes to tech, details matter. So this comes with a 1.5 ton capacity which is ideal for room sizes between 111 to 150 square feet. Then it comes with 3-star energy saving rating that offers a very balanced energy consumption for daily use. Then it also comes with VarioQool Inverter technology that regulates the compressor power and speed based on its cooling requirement. Then it delivers noiseless, uninterrupted performance with zero fluctuations even at high heat loads. It's one of the most silent ACs in its class. It's perfect for bedrooms and workspaces. Then there's Smart Aura Sense Intelligence that detects minute temperature shifts and room activity. Cooling is modulated automatically for more uniform, high-efficient cooling experience. Then there's Convertible Cooling feature. Now what this does is it allows you to save more energy when there are fewer people in the room or when the weather conditions outdoors are more pleasant. This mode automatically uses less compressor capacity, hence further minimizes power consumption. Then there's Blue Tech Protection that increases the AC's life by minimizing moisture damage. It protects against humidity and moisture for more enhanced condenser performance and efficiency. Also, I must add, it comes with German air purification technology that allows advanced silver ion, anti-dust and vitamin C filters that allow fresh air circulation around you, giving you pure and more healthier environment along with, of course, comfort cooling. Then it comes with auto blow and clean feature. By the way, this is something you see only on premium air conditioners. So after you turn it off, the smart auto clean function evaporates the moisture inside the indoor unit by automatically blowing air up to 2 minutes. Now what this does is it prevents growth of harmful microorganisms, mold and bacteria. It helps prevent rust, bad odor, thereby increasing the lifespan of the unit. Now let's talk about money because let's be real, it's not just about cooling, it's also about billing. So this inverter compressor works its magic here. With moderate daily use, it offers low power consumption and high energy efficiency rating. Your monthly electricity bill stays very much manageable, and the maintenance costs are drastically lower too. So friends, here's my final verdict. If you're looking for a performance-packed, feature-rich inverter AC that also looks stylish and comes from a trusted brand like Cruise, then this model definitely deserves your attention. You can buy this Cruise Split Inverter Air Conditioner from the dealer near you. You can also buy from the Cruise website or even from Amazon.in. I'll share the links of all further below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. I'll also mention about its latest prices and offers, so this is something you must check out. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.